The 2025 Corvette ZR1 represents a new chapter in American performance engineering. A machine built not just to impress but to dominate. From the moment it enters the frame, the car grabs attention with its razor-sharp design, wide stance, and unmistakable attitude. This is more than a sports car. It is a statement of power, precision, and engineering mastery. Every line across the body has purpose, and every curve reflects the legacy of a brand that continues to push boundaries. As the camera moves across the exterior, the glossy white paint shines under the light, highlighting the sculpted profile shaped through hours of wind tunnel refinement. Carbon fiber elements along the front splitter, side skirts, and rear wing are more than styling choices. They work together to increase stability, reduce drag, and ensure maximum grip at high speeds. When the front of the ZR1 comes into view, the aggressive fascia instantly sets the tone. The sharp LED headlights cut through the shadows like blades, while the massive intakes pull in the air needed for cooling and performance. The hood lines stretch backward with precision, reminding you that beneath it lies a heart built for speed. This car doesn't just promise performance, it announces it. Moving toward the side, the low stance and wide fenders hint at the incredible capability underneath. Performance wheels finished with high-grip tires connect the power to the asphalt with confidence. Every detail, from the mirrors to the vents, is crafted to channel airflow efficiently, ensuring the car stays planted even when pushing the limits. Inside, the ZR1 brings track-focused design into a space of comfort and technology. The cockpit wraps around the driver like a custom-tailored suit. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching offer support during aggressive driving, while carbon fiber accents and metal switches remind you of the performance heritage. The digital driver display delivers real-time information with clarity, allowing complete focus on the road ahead. The center console is angled towards the driver, emphasizing control and precision. Every button, every line, and every material choice contributes to an immersive driving experience. It is a place where luxury meets raw performance intent. With the hood open, the scene reveals the beating heart of the machine, a meticulously engineered V8 engine, designed to deliver breathtaking power. The engine bay displays pipes, wiring, carbon fiber covers, and high-performance components arranged with surgical precision. This level of detail is not just for show, it reflects the craftsmanship behind the ZR1's relentless performance capabilities. This engine is built to roar, built to respond instantly, and built to create an unforgettable driving sensation. The Corvette ZR1 is not simply fast, it is engineered to be one of the most capable performance cars ever produced by Chevrolet. On the road, the ZR1 transforms into a beast with composure. The acceleration is explosive, yet controlled. The steering reacts with pinpoint accuracy, giving the driver confidence through every turn. The suspension system adapts instantly, providing a smooth ride on straight stretches and firm stability when the pace increases. Whether carving through corners or launching on an open highway, the ZR1 delivers a balance of power and refinement that few cars achieve. The exhaust note adds another layer of emotion, a deep and aggressive tone that reminds you of the engine's potential. As the camera pulls back, the Corvette ZR1 stands as a symbol of innovation, heritage, and the relentless pursuit of speed. It is a machine crafted for enthusiasts who crave intensity, precision, and the thrill of ultimate performance. This is not just a car to be driven. It is a car to be experienced, every sound, every movement, and every moment behind the wheel becoming a memory worth holding onto. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 proves once again that true performance is not defined by numbers, but by the feeling it delivers every time the engine comes to life.